In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change mobile breakpoints in Elementor WordPress. This is really helpful if you want more control over how your website looks on different devices, like phones and tablets. By adjusting the breakpoints, you can decide exactly at what screen width your design should switch to mobile or tablet layouts, instead of just relying on the default settings. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side menu and find the Elementor option. Hover your mouse over Elementor to reveal more choices, and then click on Editor. This will open the Elementor dashboard inside WordPress. At the top right corner of this dashboard, you'll see an option that says Edit Site. Go ahead and click that. This will take you into the main Elementor site editor, where you can control your global design settings. Now that you're inside the editor, move your attention to the very top left corner of the screen. You'll see a small icon with 3 horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Click on that icon to open a drop-down panel. From the drop-down options, select Site Settings. This is where you manage global styles and layout settings for your entire website. So any changes you make here will apply across all your pages, not just a single one. Inside Site Settings, look for the option labeled Layout and click it. This section controls the overall structure of your site. Scroll down within the layout settings until you see a section called Breakpoints. Click on Breakpoints to expand it. Here you'll see fields for the mobile portrait breakpoint and the tablet portrait breakpoint. These values are usually measured in pixels and tell Elementor when to switch your design into mobile or tablet view. Click into the mobile portrait field and type in the breakpoint value you want to use for mobile devices. For example, you might lower it if you want the desktop layout to appear on slightly smaller screens, or increase it if you want the mobile layout to appear earlier. You can also adjust the tablet portrait breakpoint in the same way, depending on how you want your design to respond on medium-sized screens like tablets. Take a moment to think about your audience and the devices they're likely to use, and choose values that make sense for your site's layout and content. Once you're happy with your changes, look to the bottom of the left panel and click Save Changes. Elementor will apply your new breakpoints across your website. That's all you need to do to change mobile breakpoints in Elementor WordPress.